Good afternoon, students. Hope everything is very well. Today we're going to solve this question. We have two mixed numbers and we have to add or subtract them. But for sure we have to remember that always my answer should be what? It should be simplest form. Okay, as you can see on the right side of the paper, you see two faces here and two here. So whenever I have same sign, negative and negative, always I am adding. And whenever I have positive and positive, always I am adding. But if I have different sign, as you can see, take a look at the eyes, they're different. One of them is positive, one of them is negative. Always I am subtracting. So different sign, subtract, and same sign, add. Okay, let's take a look at this question. I have 3.5 plus and minus 7 and 4/5. To answer this question, first of all, I cannot work with two signs. So I check the sign, I have same sign, I put add. Different sign, I put a minus. The signs are different here, so what sign I'm going to put? I'm going to put negative sign. All right, and I rewrite the question again. In here, it's easier to work with proper or improper fractions. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the mixed number to improper fraction. The first step is that I'm going to multiply, then I'm going to add, and then I'm going to put the same denominator back. So 2 times 3, it will give me 6, plus 1, 7 over 2. Minus. I'm going to do the same thing here also. 5 times 7, 35, plus 4, it's going to be 39 over same denominator, which is 5. Now again, I'm going to have another problem, which is the denominators are not the same. So whenever the denominators are not the same, I will ask 3 questions. One of the questions is that, can small be big? Can I change the 2 to 5? In here, 2 times what gives me 5? We don't have such a thing. Now, I go to the other question. Is one of the numbers prime? As you can see, both of them are prime in here. One number is enough to be prime, but here both of them are prime. So it's like we're going to play a game which is called swinging. So 5 comes here. I multiply by 5 over 5. Be careful, the numerator and denominator should be multiplied by 5. And here I'm going to multiply it by 2 over 2. Now, 7 times 5 will give me 35. And 2 times 5 will give me 10. Negative sign, I copy paste it again. 39 times 2, you do the math, your multiplication, and you will get 78. 5 times 2, 10. Now take a look at the question now. The denominators are not the same, So I have the same denominators. Now I come and check which one is the big number if you take the number alone, not the integer. So is 78 or 35 big alone without the sign? 78 is big. What's the sign of the big number? It's a negative sign, okay? Now, after this, I come and take a look at the faces. Same sign, I go and add them. Different sign, I subtract them. Now here, this is negative. This in here, it's not written. That means this is positive. So different sign, I come and subtract them. So 78 minus 35. After I subtract them, I'll get how much? I'll get 43. So 43 over same, I put back the same denominator. Now I check my answer. Is it in simplest form? Yes. How did I know this? Because I can no longer divide, okay? The GCF between 43 and 10 is only 1. And be careful, my answer is a negative number. Why is that? Because 78 is greater than 35. Okay, students?